Hello, this is Byron, and thank you for joining me for another home body weight workout. I'm going to use the chair today to do a back shoulder workout. Using the chair, and I'm going to do two different exercises, one at a high angle and one at a low angle. I'm going to use the close grip or close hand position behind my back. As I do them, you can do it at two positions. You can do the hand position here, the grip here, or you can do it here. You can't do a wide grip, obviously, because wider than shoulder, because obviously your hands would be off the chair. So anyway, to begin, just put my hands together. Just realize this is a very challenging hand position because you have to keep your balance. You really have to be aware of balance when your hands are together. So cross one foot over the other and look up. Okay, just keep your head up. Make sure you be aware of your balance. Keep your form straight. As you're doing it, breathe normally. Okay. Keep maximum body weight on your back and your shoulders. It's a very awkward hand position, so you will kind of feel it. In your back right away. So we go one more time. Try to do a few more. Okay. Okay, let's turn it around. And now I'm going to turn around. I'm going to do a lower position. I'm going to do the same grip, okay, but just a lower angle. Okay, so put my hands together again, which is harder at the lower angle. It's really tough. Look up at the ceiling. It's really challenging, especially after doing the other exercise. So, just take a quick breather. That's pretty tough, okay? And right back into it. It's quite tough, Okay. All right, so turn it around. I'm just going to keep doing them, doing the two exercises in succession. Just don't, take a chance to catch your breath if you need to, but don't rest too long between the sets because you want to make it as difficult as possible. Oh, God. Okay, so I'm just going to take a quick rest just to catch my breath. I'm going to go right back into it. All right, and let's turn it around. Get a lower angle. This one is pretty tough, so be aware of that. You keep your head up. It's really difficult, really fast. All right, so if you need a quick rest, take a rest. Flex. It's a really awkward position to be in, so you will feel the failure points come on quickly. I just flex for about 20 seconds to tear the muscles a little bit more, to add a little extra pump, give extra definition to your muscles. All right, let's just knock right back into it. Okay. And then flip the chair around. Get another angle. Woo! All right. So this is good. Keep your back straight as you're doing it, the lower back. Yeah, I feel the failure points coming on pretty quickly now. So if you need to, if you reach a midpoint of failure or something like that, just catch your breath or just, give your muscles a chance to replenish, to rest. All right, let's go right back into it. Look up at the ceiling, 1 foot over the other. Okay. It's getting much more difficult now. Alright, so let's turn the chair around. Just keep going until you reach your points of failure, your multiple points of failure. Okay, let's go right into it. Yeah, you reach it's pretty, the lower angle is quite tough actually, especially when you're doing the high angle first. The low angle when you're with your close grip is pretty tough. But let's go one more time. Look at the ceiling. Don't give up. And hold on the way down. Yeah, that's you reach your failure quickly with that one. Alright, let's turn the chair around one more time. Let's go back to the higher angle since this is a little bit easier. Okay. Woo! Boy, you do reach your failure points quite quickly. So I'm just going to give another quick flex. So rest for a moment. Just be a quickie. Woo! And then I'll do it. And then at the end of the exercise, when I kind of reach my points of failure, then I'll do the hold, the kind of isometric, where just hold it in a mid position instead of going up and down, negative, positive resistance. You just hold it in one position to challenge the muscles in a different way, on a different level. Okay, so I'll start with the lower one. See how many I can do, and then I'll do it hold. Okay, just hold it as long as you can. In a mid position. Okay. Whew. All right, and then turn it around here, and then do the same thing. Same thing here. And just try to hold as long as you can. All right. So that just adds an extra level of challenge to the exercise, an extra level of difficulty to the exercise, and it just kind of attacks the muscles from a different way, different angle, or excuse me, not a different angle, but a different approach, a different method. So that's really all there's to it. That's a very quick back workout. I got a nice little pump. There's no reason, it's combining two different exercises, so it's just a good way of getting a quick workout. It takes me like 8 minutes, to do, and the back is a large muscle, and you just combine the exercises, you do them in succession, so that you're really shocking the muscles and challenging the muscles, to the maximum, to the max that that's possible, basically. And then you can combine that with the isometric, the hold at the end, and just kind of challenge your muscles in a different way, from a different method. Okay, and so anyway, this is Byron signing off, and again, thank you for joining me for another bodyweight workout, home bodyweight workout, and it's been great to have you. So please, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to ask, and see you next time. Don't forget to stay motivated to work out at home, and everyone stay strong out there. Bye-bye.